Hey guys, Greg here in the Garage Series. Today we're taking a look at the DRT series fender flares by Bushwacker. These fender flares provide an additional 3 inches of tire coverage, 4.5 inch of body coverage. They're made of an ABS material, Duraflex 2000, that won't warp or crack. They are UV resistant. The flares are paintable to color match the truck or accent, or you can just use them as they come out of the box in this black matte finish. They're made in USA and they carry a limited lifetime warranty. So the installation on these flares is pretty straightforward. They do come with the instructions in the box. 2 to 2.5 hours to install them. The difficulty rating on these would probably be 3 out of 10 wrenches. Now if you don't want to install these yourself, please make sure and check the dealer locator below. It'll have one of our local Total Truck Center stores that will be glad to sell you the flares and even put them on if you just don't feel comfortable doing that. So there you have it, the Bushwacker DRT fender flares. If you want to know more about them, check the description below. Also, the part number will be included there for this particular set. If you don't feel comfortable installing them, click the link below for one of our Total Truck Center stores near you. Also, they'll either be able to get the flares for you or even be able to install them if that's what you want done. This has been Greg in the Garage.